Akakiiko akasunsula abakozi ku disitulikiti y'e Manafwa kabadde kagenda mu maaso n'okusunsula abakozi ba disitulikiti nga muno mubaddemu n'abasawo ssentebe bagambye nti babadde bakuyambako disitulikiti okulwanyisa ekirwadde kya COVID-19. Wabula akulira ebyokwerinda mu disitulikiti Ahmad Washaki atuuse n'abategeeza ng'okukuŋŋaanya abantu bwe kiyinza okusaasaanya coronavirus era wabaddewo okuwanyisiganya ebisongovu.
Even human contact, I don't want in this area here.
No, there is no way in this area.
Chairman, I'm telling you, you leave me to do my work.
Yes.
In this way, COVID.
We must do work together with you.
Kituuse ekiseera n'ava mu mbeera n'alagira ofiisi eggaluwe ssentebe kyawakanyizza.
I, Washaki Ahmad, Resident DC Commissioner Manafwa, has directed you.
Put in writing for us.
Because I don't want it open. Chairman, you try to open it, you are going to cause your own problem. You try to open it, you are going to cause your own problem. I don't want that. I don't want that. Police, I don't want this. Let the chairman go. Let the chairman go. I cannot.
Bano poliisi ezze n'ebataasa. Ssentebe alangidde RDC ono okukozesa eryanyi erisukkiridde.
So, Chairman, you mean the RDCs were working against
everyone? Alone as an individual. I don't know what obsessed him to decide as an individual. Can he show me a minute? I am also a member of the task force. Ka is a member of the task force. And the Ka has challenged him to write. He has failed to write. Why is he insisting only on this office? And yet, right now as we talk, he has gone up to chair a meeting in the district administration. So why can't he close that place?
Are you ready to join him?
I can't. You know, the trouble is, how do I join in madness?
Gavumenti ezeeyisa ebiragiro ebikakali mu kaweefube ow'okutangira okusaasaanya ekirwadde kya COVID-19 omuli n'okugaana emikolo egikuŋŋaanya abantu abasukka mu 10.
People should not move from their home to come here. They should not.